Imagine one-level living in an upscale community with a big old backyard. Located on a private drive, this home offers one-level living on Bull Mountain with a great big backyard ready for gardening or playtime. Inside, you'll love the updated and thoughtfully designed kitchen with absolutely gorgeous walnut cabinetry and granite countertops, a beverage bar with prep sink, and built-in wine rack. The kitchen also features a center island and stainless steel appliances, including a gorgeous hood vent. The family room slider opens up to the beautiful Trex deck, ready for entertaining and overlooking the breathtaking backyard that a half-acre property provides. Back inside, you'll begin to notice the built-ins and architectural details that help to make this property so special. Both the family room and living room have cozy wood-burning fireplaces with stunning stone that shows off that 70s vibe. A sweeping view of the backyard is noticeable from the spacious living room. You'll find 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms in this home. Bull Mountain offers easy access to parks, restaurants, shopping, and entertainment within just a couple of miles. Don't miss your chance to own a home that checks so many of your boxes. Thank you for visiting this beautifully refreshed home with me today. If you'd like more information or would like to see it in person, please reach out. I'm Julie Williams, Principal Broker with Elite Real Estate.